First SRT is your elder brother is involved in immoral activities. What will you do? Sir, first of all, I will stop him by advising him or threatening him from the negative results of that activities. If he does not stop, I will complain to parents. So second SRT is you killed a person accidentally and at the same time a car also hit that person. Woman who was driving the car think that she killed that person. What will you do? Sir, I will accept that I kill that person. You were going for a job interview on your way. You saw an injured person. What will you do? Sir, I will definitely help him. Either uh, if I late to job, I will definitely help him. Sir, for SRT is you become mess instructor and you senior instructor told you to do extra billing of people. What will you do? Sir, I will not do the extra billing of the people. Sir, fifth SRT is you are going with your sister and a stranger is following you. What will you do? Sir, if stranger is consistently following us, I will stop him and ask him why you are following us. Due to COVID-19, you saw people stealing basic things of need from a store. What will you do? Sir, if people are stealing basic needs of life from a store, I will uh, definitely complain to the store owner. So 7 SRT is you purchased 5 kg meat from a shop and on your way back to home a dog bite you and snatch some meat. What will you do? Sir, if dog bite me, I will never beat the dog and I will go to hospital for some assistance. Sir, SRT number 8, you are the only son of your parents, so they want you to marry a girl. But if you marry, you will not be eligible for Pak Army. What will you do? Sir, I will understand my parents that I cannot, that they can see for another girl for me. But my first priority is to join Pak Army, so I will join Pak Army. SRT number 9, you are a quite handsome boy. An old man blink his eyes while looking at you. What will you do if he keeps starting at you? Sir, I will ignore him and will not talk to him. So SRT number 10, you got a foreign scholarship at PMA, but your physical fitness is not good. Will you go for it or skip that chance? Sir, I will not skip the chance. I will definitely adopt it. SRT number 11, your brother is your responsibility and he is not performing good at school because of excess use of mobile. He is not obeying you. What will you do? Sir, if he not showing good results at the school, I will snatch mobile from him for some time so he could focus on his studies. So SRT number 12, you committed a sin, you are ashamed of it, you will be defamed in society if you admit that sin, and if not, then everything will go well. What will you do? Sir, if I do a sin whom I am ashamed, I will pray from Allah Almighty who will forgive me, and I will not repeat the sin again, but I will not tell it to the society. SRT number 13, a girl gets stuck in a jungle at night and she does not have any source to inform police. What she should do? Sir, first of all, he should cover him from the corner of a jungle where the forest animals cannot reach. SRT number 14, your phone is ringing and you picked up the call. On the other side of phone there is your friend who is telling you that she wants to suicide. How will you help him? Sir, first of all, I will talk to him and advises him not to do that, and with that I will definitely try to reach her, and I in this period I will be in contact with him. Sir, SRT number 15. One of your friend get addicted to wrong deeds. You and his father suggest him to leave all these deeds, but he did not understand. What will you do? Sir, I will continue to advise him to leave these addicted things. Uh, either either he accepts it or not. I will continue to advise him to not to do these activities. Sir, SRT number 16. You are doing a job and you are sent on a special secret mission, but your family is not allowing you to go. What will you do? Sir, I will not perform. I will not tell about my family about this task and will go if is related to my job. SRT number 17. If someone steals money from a bank and distribute it to needy people, you know that person, what will you do? Sir, I will definitely criticize him because uh, even he is helping the poor people, but it is a wrong way to help the poor people. SRT number 18. Student always stands first in his class, but during his midterm exams his health was not good and he was not prepared for exam, but he still scored good marks in exams. His teacher came to know that he has done cheating. Now what should his teacher do? Sir, first of all, his teacher should investigate that he did the cheat or not. If he cheat, teacher does not give him the severe punishment. One of your friend is taking sleeping pills and you came to know that he is doing this because of financial issues. What will you do? Sir, I will definitely help him financially or will give him some money. SRT number 20. If your father does not afford your fee and one of your uncle paid all your university fee, but he demands that you should marry his daughter, but you don't like her daughter, what will you do? Sir, I will not marry his daughter, and I will start a job with my study to bear my expenses. Thank you, sir.